You are going to love the 2019 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, keyless start, trip computer, power windows, electronic stability control, Sirius XM radio, rear window defroster. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.